Welcome back, Shiba Inu holders. My name is Matt, and in today's video, I have some of the best news which has ever happened for SHIB in my life. What I'm going to be talking about today is a 30% increase on the day, the biggest jump in Shiba Inu history. Let's get into it, folks. So if you guys have not seen this is absolutely ridiculous and unprecedented. What you guys can see here right now on CoinMarketCap, Shiba Inu right now is at 0.00009, which is a 35% increase on the day. This is absolutely humongous. And if you guys remember, for the past several months on this channel since May, I've been talking about how I thought SHIB had a massive potential in the future. Everybody doubted and said, oh my god, this is a garbage coin, yada yada. And I always thought, hey, what's wrong with an exchange having a coin which is, sort of meme-like in nature and does multiple things well? What's wrong with that? And SHIB has managed to prove all of us right, which is just wonderful. So right now, we are seeing a 35% increase on the day. So if you had $1,000 invested, you would now have $1,350, which is extremely nice for one crypto. And if you had more than that, you'd likely to see, gains that are even better than that. So as you guys can see from the day here, it starts off, just kind of low, not really doing anything. And that's why I haven't been making videos over the past few days, because it hasn't been doing all that much. And then all of the sudden, absolute explosion. And this is due to the fact that Coinbase, regular Coinbase, not just Coinbase Pro, decided to add it to their platform, and that is absolutely wonderful. So you guys can see this here in their blog, but they mention, of course, that, obviously as an Ethereum-based alternative to Doge, SHIB is intentionally abundant with a circulating supply of 1 quadrillion, yada yada, giving you a little bit of, of course, what it's about. You can sign up for Coinbase and, go on and purchase it. And this news absolutely lit up Twitter. Now, it's been on Coinbase Pro, which is kind of weird, because why didn't it explode like this when it was on Coinbase Pro in the past? And I think that the general just Coinbase is a bigger, sort of milestone, because, when you look at regular Coinbase, and, if we were to go to the regular Coinbase website here, which I will show you guys here on screen, the thing about regular Coinbase, man, is that it is so much more limited in regards to what it has available. So this is a look here, of course, at the regular, Coinbase dashboard here, and you could see, I don't have a lot here in regular Coinbase, but this is a really awesome way, to sort of check and see what's going on in the, sort of crypto sphere, because there is just, really not an awful lot here that is particularly available on this platform. And you guys can see that here. I mean, there's not an awful lot which is available for sale. And of course, they've been adding some new ones recently, but look at this, man. This is not an awful lot compared to Binance, compared to Gates, KuCoin. There are so many other ones in which, people have a lot more options, but, Coinbase is extremely particular with the things they have available to purchase. So the question is, how come in this instance, we really are seeing just an incredible surge? Well, again, the exclusivity is really what's doing it. And same thing with Robinhood, man. Robinhood is extremely exclusive in regards to what cryptos they show, what is really allowed on the platform. And again, I don't have my SHIB on Coinbase because I've bought it in the past, previously on other platforms, but it is really awesome to see. Speaking of things that are awesome to see, if you guys want to get started on Webull, folks, link down below in the description, guys. You can actually buy Shiba Inu on there, but if you just want a free $20-ish or so, $15-20 or so, link down below in the description, guys. It's so freaking easy to make an account. Link down below. You guys could do it, and we both get some free stocks, so who can't love that? I actually got a free share of Apple the other day, which was really cool, so thank you guys for that, man. But yeah, in general, folks, I've been looking forward to watching this happen for a long time. When we take a look here at these sort of technicals here on TradingView, you guys can see here, this is the overall look at SHIB, and you guys can see just absolute explosion. Now, the question is, over the past, sort of few hours here, it has actually topped off, sort of at like 9.5, so almost breaking us into that new decimal place. Now, my guess, and again, this is just a guess, but I think it's a reasonable one to say that all of this growth will not be maintained over the 24-hour period. So this, in my view, might be a good time to actually sell, considering when we look at the relative strength index here, which I'm going to show you guys, it is way over here, again at 89, or 90, way over where it should be. But again, you do run a little bit of a risk, because if this momentum stays, it could really defy all rules of fundamentals. That's happened before, and it really does shock you when it does, because all the sort of golden rules of fundamental asset trading kind of go out the window when there's enthusiasm for something, and that is gone for Solana, same type of thing, which is another crypto that I absolutely love, Solana. By the way, link to PvP or my other channel, guys, for NFTs, NFT Central down below, or NFT Kings down below in the description, guys. Definitely go check it out. Link there for you. I've been doing some NFT videos about Solana over there, but as you guys can see here, man, this is a little over $200 at one point. It has this absolute moon, and then obviously it's been tailing off. But again, sometimes with some enthusiasm, all rules of fundamentals, again, you guys can see it is exceeding the RSI at many points here. All rules of fundamentals go out the window. So again, when we take a look here right now at Shib, it really has defied all sort of known rules. The volume's insane, the RSI is insane, all of it's crazy, and that's fine, man, because honestly, I think with this momentum, it's going to really continue to go up in the future. So again, it might be a good day to sell. If you want to rebuy, maybe around 8, or like maybe around like 8, 3.6 maybe looks fine. Some line like that would be fine. Again, if we want to really trace this out, we could do the Fibonacci retracement, which basically looks at recent trends. And if I am to expand this here, you guys can see it looks at recent trends and says basically where they think it is going to sort of continue in the future. But this basically broke the Fibonacci retracement because of the insane volatility. So it's really hard to say, but the Fibonacci retracement is analyzing this run here up to the top and saying that, okay, after this run, we could be losing some of the gains, down to the 23.6% line or the 61.8% line or whatever the line is. It's analyzing this run. So the Fibonacci retracement in this instance is analyzing this run. This recent, parabolic period of growth, the Fibonacci retracement here, the auto fib hasn't even done yet, just because of how insane this is. So again, really, really crazy stuff. Again, you want to see, the rate of growth here again from this run here, 4.23x, which is just crazy. So the auto fib really is not working well in this instance because of just how unbelievably volatile this period of growth is. So again, be careful. Don't put your life savings in. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. I would never tell you to do that anyway, but be careful, especially now, because again, it could lose a little bit of steam, and again, maybe resettle at a line somewhere more like around here, or same kind of thing somewhere around here. It could definitely sort of level off again, but I definitely don't think we'll be seeing it in the 6s anytime soon, and I think that's really what matters. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me about where this price is really going to taper off, and I definitely don't think it is going to wind up in the 6s anytime soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.